Hello guys, welcome to our channel Jntuh Exam Updates. If you are new here, please do like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified, and you will never miss a video from us. If you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to help you. So a lot of people are texting me about 4-1 results. It has been a long time since they have written the exams, but they are inquiring about 4-1 results when they are going to come. So in this video we are going to discuss about when will be the Jntuh 4-1 results will be declared. I mean, like final year results for b.pharmacy and b.tech. So coming to the topic, final year results will be announced by the university anytime soon. So as the CBT exams are over, and the update we have by January end, I mean like by January 31st, was that only one subject correction is pending. So they have already conducted CBT, and the CBT mark entering process is in line, and pending from some branches. One paper is pending from some branches, and also 95% paper correction is done. Most of the correction was carried under online correction mode, and about 30% was done in offline mode, or manual correction, what we can call. So where offline correction is something where papers are corrected offline, not on a laptop or a computer. The correction was easy, and students can expect a good result this time. Generally the final year results are always good. Faculty are little leisure while correcting the papers. This is a happy news for students, but one thing to worry about is that correction of the subject per branch will be difficult. I mean, once people tend to fail in one particular subject in per branch in every in 4-1 semester, and many of the students from branch fail in some specific subjects. So this is the only thing to worry about. This is the for example, if you explain that thing in Telugu, we can tell it like oka branch lo oka subject ఖచ్చితంగా fail అయ్యే స్టూడెంట్స్ చాలా మంది ఉంటారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 4-1 లో ఒక డిఫికల్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, no matter how good you write, you will fail that subject. So ala this is the pattern for several years now. Ante one time two time kaakunda this is for several years. The results, if we talk about likely release date, the likely will be released in second week of February. As I said already, one month back, it will be releasing in February Valentine's Day weekend, and the supply results will be released first and then regular results, because regular results there will be some more work to be done, so that would cause a little time for releasing. So as far as I know, the supply results will release first and regular results will release second. So if you ask me the particular date, it should be somewhere around February 9 to February 14. So you can blindly expect a result. I mean, either a supply result or a regular result from February 9 to February 14. Definitely there will be something. So that's it for today, guys. I have already told you that how corrections are going on, and how this thing of 4-1 results are going on. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. We are also coming up with our exam update app, which is launching on February 7th. So stay connected with us. The app already features so many things, and we have already tested the app with some voluntary people, and the initial response is really good. We have got a brilliant response from the student side, and if you have not followed on social media, then you will definitely miss plenty of updates. So do follow us on social media. The links are given in description. It will ease your engineering life to get the updates, notes and everything under one roof. So please do comment if you have any doubts, and I'll be happy to assist. I'll see you in the next video. So until then, guys, bye, take care.